Let's shift gears and talk about something that's just as important as growing your super: insurance. It's a way of protecting you and your family if life were to take an unexpected turn. Insurance through super can be cost-effective and convenient, but make sure it suits your needs. Premiums are typically lower than going directly through an insurance provider and are taken out of your super account, so nothing extra comes out of your take-home pay. There are three main types of insurance you can access through your super fund: death cover, total and permanent disablement cover, and income protection cover. Death cover is a lump sum to your beneficiaries if you pass away or are diagnosed with a terminal illness. Total and permanent disablement cover, or TPD, is a lump sum if you become permanently disabled and can't work again. Income protection cover provides monthly payments if you're temporarily unable to work due to illness or injury. At Vanguard Super, we've partnered with AIA Australia to include death and TPD in your default cover. Income protection is optional, and you can apply for it if and when you need it. Your default insurance cover adjusts as you age, typically decreasing as you get older. This is based on the assumption that your financial responsibilities may reduce over time. Just know that at any stage, you can adjust or cancel this default cover if it's not right or your situation changes. And finally, if you already have cover through another super fund, you can choose to transfer your cover to Vanguard Super or keep it where it is. Now, let's meet Alex. Alex is 38, works in IT and has a young family. After a cycling accident, he couldn't work for 6 months. Thankfully, he had income protection through his super, which covered 75% of his salary. This helped him pay the mortgage and support his family while he recovered. Typically, there's some eligibility criteria you will need to meet to be able to access insurance cover through your super. For Vanguard Super, these include being a member of Vanguard Super, aged 18 to 65 for TPD and income protection, or under 70 for death cover, being an Australian citizen or visa holder, not have previously claimed a terminal illness or TPD benefit, and not working in a hazardous occupation for TPD and income protection. It's important that before relying on your default cover, you ask yourself, do I work in a hazardous occupation? Have I worked at least 15 hours per week in the last 3 months? Or do I already have insurance through another super fund? If you answered yes to any of these, your eligibility or needs might be different. If you'd like to speak to someone about your specific insurance needs or what level of cover is right for you, we suggest you speak with a financial advisor. We hope this information has helped you understand the basics of superannuation. For more information, visit our Vanguard Super Learn Centre at vanguard.com.au/super/learn or contact us directly on 1300 655 101.